Dami.
Oy, shoutout sa pinsan ko. Ramay ni Ma'am. Chocolanay.
Corona life. Kaya naman yung
Good evening, Zamboanga. Season 2, Low Zone Defense. Play between SJB, Boyan Mamba versus Khalifa Ferndale. Introducing the first five. Boyan Mamba, center, jersey number 14, Ralph. Power forward, jersey number 22, Rosel. Small forward, jersey number 29, Alamana. Shooting guard, jersey number 31, Alvarez. And point guard, jersey number 1, and Boyo. Head coach, Jason Repolo, assistant coach, Eddie Kalim. And now, your team Khalifa Ferndale.
Welcome mga kabowlers. Welcome sa ating Tuesday edition here in Angel Love Concept Store. 18 under, no zone defense rule. It is played between SJV Boyan, SJV Mampang Boyan, and Khalifa Ferndale. Thank you so much to our 49 viewers. Good luck, SJV Mampang from Ian Roca. Go Khalifa, Yusra Abaw. Good luck, SJV Boyan. So magandang laban to guys. The Dark Horse versus a colossal team, Khalifa. So ano ba, will it be a winning streak for Khalifa or will SJV Mampang Boyan stun the powerhouse team? So we will all find out in our Tuesday to remember ball game. So happy Valentine's Day advance sa lahat. So may yung mga minors natin, wag muna kayong mag jowa-jowa. Focus on your studies muna. Pa-shoutout po, Raver Dominguez. Good luck, Gaudwin Rabolos from Ivan Gabriel Roca. Pa-shoutout po, Ma'am Tumaga, Por Centro, Madriaga family and Halon family, Glorina Madriaga. So, meron tayong technical problem. Parang hindi yata gumana yung timer. So, shout muna tayo, guys. Thank you sa ating 63 viewers. So, para sa mga couples, anong plano natin bukas? Especially, no? Especially mga married couples na, no? Yun naman talaga yung, hindi naman talaga, it's not about the gifts, diba? It's not about the tangible things na yung binibigay natin sa loved ones natin, but it's more than that. It's beyond what we can touch and what we can see. Durmi mañana. ¿Cuánto año ba, Raver? Basta mga high school pa. Numanay si man nobya, no, kay Gwalansina, pang date. Kung ken man si PD, kung mamang pati kung papang lang, syempre. Enjoy lang anay. Antes, Tiyempo di mio, tahuga pa yung I think college, tahuga pa yung sipa. Tahuga pa yung Jolen, high school. Bale Manila, childhood antes. Good luck, Khalifa. Good luck, Mark Dil from Darwisa, Kumayaw. So, 9:20 in our shot clock. 11 seconds. 24 seconds from the shot clock. Mintis yung kay ano ba to? Araneta. Ano to? Ay, thank you. Thank you sa nagbigay. Thank you, Heavenly. Diba? So sweet. Sweet na bata. Dati, ano pa to 7 eh. Totoy na totoy. Ngayon, ang binatang binata na. Number 31. Bola and a foul was called there. A shoutout sis from JR Jim Jimenez. Good luck kay Gian Bionson Romelo. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. So please, baka naman pwede nyong i-share yung ano natin. Yung game natin. Pa-shoutout sa kuya namin kay Hipolani Harold Che Gogo. Good luck. AHZSC second game. Raja. Yes, mamaya naman magandang laban din to. It's McPhee Ferndale versus a notable team din na AH. Grabe si Araneta. End one, a possible end one for Araneta. So guys, baka naman pwede nyong i-share yung ano natin, yung live game natin. Mrs. Charity Ball there. And there was a whistle there against Dollar. So there's some kind of discussion. Ano ba ang score? Six to nothing run yan guys, yung score natin ngayon. May foul doon sa baba. Shoutout na Sambuanga Steaksis, yes. Sheridan, thanks, gracias mi amiga Eva Longcob, the proud mother of Dwayne. Na yan, best player last game. Tapos sa So 8-2 is our official running score. Dollar once again hitting that basket. Easy basket for Dollar. Kevin, the money man, Dollar. And there was a steal. Dollar once again. So coach of Mampang just called the timeout there, and of course back to back there, so kailangan na ng tumawag ng parang may problema yung scoreboard natin. Thank you so much to our following sponsors: AJ Love Concept Store, Mayor John Dalipe, FJ Graphics, Zensation, ERBL, Alavar, Adex, Zamboanga Valientes, Blue Harvest, Trust Maria's Tailoring, The Exclusive Shop, 89.9 Brigada News FM, ang King's Collection, S3 Apparel, Crocs Spurs at Samang Basketballista ng Pilipinas. So 12-2 is our official running score. So medyo inayos yung shot clock. Easy basket there for Ronnie Gallo. 14-2. Substitution was called there at Mampang's bench. So 14-2 is our official running score. Play ball. Alvarez, nagtitimon bola. Ang depensa doon kay Ariola, medyo maigpit. Nice pass there. Unselfish pass there. Ganun lang yung mga role players, no? Thinking more of the team rather than the personal interest, personal score. Ganda nung pasang yun. Mintis nga lang. Nice one. Ay, hindi nga lang pumasok. Maganda sana ang transition. Grabe itong batang to, napakasipag.
10.
29 is our official run score. 8 seconds violation there was called against Mampang, SJV Mampang Boyan. Mahaba pa to, guys. Malayo pa to sa inisip nating magiging result of the game. It's still everybody's ball game. Noy ka pang call. Bola ngayon ng Khalifa. Araneta. Grabe to sa batang to, napakasipag. Promising career awaits for this young fella. Another steal there. Marco Jumawas for that easy basket. Nice basket. Is that an offensive foul? Offensive foul. Ronnie James Gallio. Offensive foul for Ronnie James. That free throw is brought to you by Age Love Concept Store, Mayor John Dalipe, FJE Graphics, Sensation by Doc Lori Stam, ERBL, Alavar, Adex, Zamboanga Valientes, Blue Harvest, Tres Marias Tailoring, The Exclusive Shop, 89.9, Brigada, News FM, Croc Sports, ang Kings Collection, S3, Print and Apparel, of course, sa mahang basketballista ng Pilipinas. A steal there by SJV Mampang. Ariola. Grabe yung depensa kay Ariola. But a steal there by Araneta. Ang dami ng nakaw na bola ditong Khalifa. Bad pass there for SJV Mampang. Jumawas. Traveling. So kailangan na SJV Mampang should take advantage of every turnover ng kanilang kalaban, and they have to capitalize it para bumaba yung kalamangan or mahigitan pa yung score ng kalaban. Pero yun nga lang, napaka tight ng depensa ng Khalifa. Hindi nga lang pumasok. Araneta with that rebound.
So, what's up mga kaballers? Good afternoon, everyone. Kumuna ang maghahawak ng live. Shoutout kay Heaven Lim. Ayan, all the way from the team of AAH. Ayan, sino pa ba? Kina Abdul, Medina, Ramos, Aspi. Sino pa? Si Kinday. Si Chocolanay. Shoutout kay Chocolanay dyan, idol ko. All the way from Baliwasan. Baliwasan, Seaside. Siya nakaganyan-ganyan. Eto penalty. Shoutout sa pinaka-pogi ng Campo Islam. Patitabog Kuno. Heavenly is in the house. Ayan. Okay, shoutout akong JC Fernandez all the way from Tumaga and Alain Manahan. And with her girlfriend. Ayan. Happy ang day ni Alain bukas. Shoutout natin ang ating mga viewers dito sa loob ng ating gymnasium. 1 point. Yan, it's 26-13 in favor of Team Khalifa. And as you can see guys, next game to be played between the AH versus the team of McPhee Ferndale. Ayan. Nasa bola ngayon ni Jamawas to Kumayaw. Ayun, titira ng 3. At sayang, mintis ang 3 ni Jamawas. We have still 1 minute and 24 seconds. Good for 2 for the team of SJB. Parang similar sa SBB sa SJB, no? It's a good for 2 for Araneta. Shout out dyan kay Medina. Tila. Shout out kay Medina. Heaven Lim, ang valedictorian ng Pilar College. Shout out. Grabe, hindi lang ito mahusay sa extracurricular. Mahusay dito sa ACATS. May nag-comment ang cute daw ng jersey number 16. Oh, may nag-comment, no? Ayun. Anong grade na doon sa Pilar? Grade 7 sa Pilar Street. Port Pilar ba? Nagseselos na naman si Abdul. Pilar din ako. Sa labas ng Southern Pilar. Pilar Street. It's another 2 points for the team of Khalifa. It's 32-15 in favor of team of Khalifa. So, ayan nga guys. So, ako muna yung uupo. At isa-shoutout natin ang ating mga cute na player ng Pilar College. Especially shoutout kay Miranda. Saan si Miranda? Ayan, isa pa si Kinday. Another cute. Good for 2 for the team Khalifa. And now in second quarter. Yeah, and before that, nice nating batiin ang ating mga special sponsor to our Mayor John Dalipe, AG Lab Concept Store, FJE Graphics, Sensation, Era Rasul Basketball League, Alavar, Adex, Sambuanga Valientes, Blue Harvest, Tres Marias Tailoring, The Exclusive Shop, 89.9 Brigada News FM, our media partners, Croc Sports, SBP, Samahang Basketballista ng Pilipinas, ang ating officiating committee, and to Mama Angking Collection, and also sa S3 Apparel. So, thank you so much sa ating mga mahal na sponsors. Ayan. Isa-shoutout natin ang pinaka-cute na coach. Coach ng Pilar. Ayan. Isa-shoutout ko lang ang ating mga lovers for tomorrow. Yan, pupuno na naman ang kanilang moret. Shoutout kay Bina, kay Andrew Bina, ang pinaka-cute ng Ferndale. Jersey number 22. So ayun nga guys, nais lang nating batiin ang ating mga nagko-comment dyan. Later on, after this second quarter.
Foul, jersey number 13, San Luis. First team foul. First team foul.
Ayan, hello sa ating 67 viewers. Ayan, shoutout muna tayo. Shoutout kay Jay Arlim Jimenez. Let's go, Kalipa. Shoutout also kay Raymer Candido. Shoutout ko Dwayne Idol. Shoutout din kay Patpat and Kuya Nonoy. Lawrence Palabay. Shoutout Kyle. Ola Seaman. Shoutout kay Makin. Watching live Akina SJB Mampang. Shoutout po Mangit na happy birthday ko mama si Sona from Dagitab Game Farm. Shoutout ko to your mother. Happy Valentine's Ate Kyle by JP Micabalo. Shoutout to you. Happy Valentine's namin also contigo. Shoutout kay Auntie Floribel Balion all the way from Talon-Talon. The very own supportive of mother Renren Balion. Macho Candido. Shoutout ko na shoutout Aki, Kyle. Ola Seaman is in the house. Adrian Menese, shoutout kay Benson Menese. So as you can see guys, at 38, serving 18 for the team of Kalipa. Gawan tayo ng buko mga kaibigan.
Inakaw ni Repolyo. Looking back, Repolyo ulit.
May kasamang foul. That's a basket na may kasamang foul.
Foul, jersey number 13.
San Luis.
Second personal foul.
San Luis, the house. And the idol ng Sambud. May nagtatanong guys kung single pa daw si Medina. Single pa daw si Medina. May nag-chat dito, may nag-comment. Kuya Kyle, patanong ba kay Medina kung single? Nasa loob lang ako ng court. Sino kaya to? Study first. Akats daw muna. Akats.
And a trolley.
Man, shoutout kita ko ng Mother di Andrea Kiyota Kiyata support Ara. And hello sa ating 75 viewers natin. Shoutout kun Brian, Andre, Carl, Danoy. Maken, shoutout kun Minyo de la Cruz Arado from Maken. Sino yung shoutout nyo dyan? Original yan. Original. Original tayo. Shoutout sa pinaka-idol ko si Chocolanay. Narito sa aking side. Map Shane is in the house. ang pinaka-cute na gumagawa ng content na hindi ko alam. Hey, I'm 547. Jump. Jump.
Second team foul.
Yes, we're back.
Wayne Revolio.
21-38. A steal there by Kumayaw.
Back. Rebound. Quezon Giant. Revolio. Revolio.
Shoutout po kay Nicolas de Marunsing.
Gallo, 3.
Shoutout kay Kanamo Tamirawego tabang kaya gayot si Maverick Olasiman from Nilo de la Cruz Arado. Shoutout kung Brian Andre Carl Danoy from Joren Piok. Shoutout kung Nilo de la Cruz Arado from Macken's. Exchange lang sila. Exchange lang sila message aki. Laban lang kita, SJV Boyan from Eva Longkop. Shoutout Kyle. Pa-shout JC Alayon. Shoutout Kunmi Idol Sibaki. Shoutout Raver Kinday from Real Kinday. Pa-shout hi to all Sibonga Bowlers Club from Sibonga, Cebu. From Jesse Bakyal. Go Khalifa from Yusha Abaw. So 40-21 is our official run score.
And to shoot. Jersey number 34.
Buenas! Hello, Ma'am Shane from Madam Floribel Balyon. Yes, happy Valentine's for tomorrow, no? Kung sa dito yung plano, ma'am. For sure siya nagat sa plano for tomorrow. JRG, may mena shoutout na mi Idol Mark Dil Kumaya. Wala man shooting frame.
And to shoot.
Shoutout Christian Dayo, Noy Pakaba, LJS Alina Dayon Court.
Gallo.
Good luck, Idol Baki from Saavedra. Shoutout Dayo, number 20, Noy Pakaba. Raisin Gonzalez.
Revolio. Swing. Ipak-ipak. Good to shoot.
Timeout by SJV Boyen. And that timeout is brought to you by ang King's Collection.
Second personal foul with jersey number 13. 13 foul.
S3 Print and Apparel. Advance happy birthday, Dimio Idol. Advance happy birthday Kunmi Idol si Baki from Jillian Saavedra.
Foul kita. Jersey number 13. Bola del Khalifa birthday.
jump ball was called there. Agawang buko, agawang buko ni Pat dun. So, bola ngayon ng SJV Mampang Boyen. Sayang yung pasa na yun. Turnover. Buti na lang at hindi na-convert nung kalaban ng turnover ng SJV and the ball is staying with SJV Boyen.
And a foul for the referee Ricky. Foul on jersey number 34. Third foul on jersey number 34.
34. Sino ba
Warning
ang
for
34?
penalties.
Si Araneta. Warning na sa Araneta. I mean, third foul na pala sa Araneta.
So, yung mga free throw.
Mintis yung isang bola na yun. Pero nakuha pa rin ng SJV Boyen. Bola. Hawak ni Dwayne. Tingnan natin kung papasa. Dire-diretso.
Nabitawan.
Buti na lang nakuha ulit. And saksak ang tatlong puntos. 27-42. It's still everybody's ball game. Marami pang pwedeng mangyari dito. Nakakuha ng foul si Araneta.
Jersey number 12. Tipak. First personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Bakit dito mo medyo? Wala. Kasi dapat kasi lang sa ako, di ba? Legon palo. Matokya lang kayo ka na po.
Sabes.
Juma. Yan.
Dollar.
Jersey number 22.
Supalpal doon kay San Luis.
Hindi ka ba po?
Iba na talagang matangkad.
Red. Short. Wala pa rin ang Korea. With 8 to shoot on the shot clock.
Bola pa rin ng SJV Boyen.
5.
Official running score 46-27. Ang gandang pasok doon ni Rebollos at nakakuha ng 2 puntos.
Gallo. Akin Juma. Back to Juma.
Rebollos.
Wow!
Sayang.
Tingala.
Ganda na sa... Everything was perfect except the shot.
Aneta. Rebound.
Dollar. Back to back na dito si Dollar. Shoutout kay Dayaw. Sabang JS ni Dayaw. From Mark Angelo Ansog. that friendly bounce there by Gallo. 3-point shot there by Gallo. Sayang. Turnover.
Balik kay Gallo. And good for two on Gallo with jersey number 15. Dahil. Oh, jersey number 34.
Fourth.
Penalty tayo.
I think it's already 4 fouls na.
Fourth foul on jersey number
Warning for foul out na pala si Araneta. Pa-shoutout po kay Kirikitan Ignacio from Michi Habrun. Half shot niya lang. Watching from Mapun Tawi-Tawi. Pa-shoutout naman po. Al-Ajad. So, hello po sa lahat ng mga taga Mapun Tawi-Tawi. Masaya po kami na yung live po natin ay nakakaabot na po dyan sa Tawi-Tawi. 3 points by Galler. That's a tough shot there, no? Lalo na pag humahabol ka, palayo na ng palayo.
Ayola. May David. Wow, jersey number 11. First foul, jersey number 11.
Rebol. Andi pala. Sino ba yun? Number 6 pala. Sorry.
Juma. Balik kay Juma.
Sayang.
Tertino on the chest shot. Dahil. Good for 2.
2 for 2. Yan na. Sabi ko na, it's everybody's ball game.
Jersey number 10, Papian. Penalty.
Penalty na. Shoutout kay Jerry Jimenez
Jan Bert.
from Kani. Al-Ajad, Alwids Kaluang are watching from Bungao, Tawi-Tawi. Thank you so much, guys, from Tawi-Tawi. Thank you so much for watching our live. Hopefully, maka-live din ng Big Fundamental sa Tawi-Tawi. Good luck, SJB Mampang from Ivy Reyes. Good luck. A good idol Baki, Rudy Paso. Hello po sa mga taga Tawi-Tawi.
Lampian inbound. Kumayaw.
Kumayaw, muntik pang maagawan doon.
And to shoot.
Turnover. Muntik ka nang maagaw doon. Ay, sayang. Hindi yata nakita
Kumayaw.
na walang teammate doon. Kumayaw. Easy basket for Tumayaw.
10 seconds to play. Wrapped up. Foul on jersey number 10. Penalty.
Penalty na. I think that's
Second personal foul.
unnecessary foul dun. As we just hit 4 seconds before we end our first half. Sayang hindi pumasok yung isang charity ball. Shoutout number 4, Ariola from Nigel John. Shoutout kun Buringgit
Garin. Rebound.
Talina Golden Boys. Bolbea daw po ba si Shala? Oh, Bolbea. Tandrel Tanchil pa daw. And that ends our first quarter. Lamang na lamang po ang Team Khalifa, 61-38. And we'd like to give a big shout out to our sponsors for their generosity. AG Lab Concept Store, Mayor John Dalipe, FJE Graphics, Zensation by Doc Loristam, ERBL, La Alavar, Adex, Zamboanga Valientes, Blue Harvest, Tres Marias Tailoring, The Exclusive Shop, 89.9 Brigada News FM, Croc Sports, ang Kings Collection, S3 Print and Apparel, and of course, Samahang Basketballista ng Pilipinas. So, official running score natin, 61-38. So, kaya pa yan, guys. Meron pa tayong 2 quarters. So, I think the SJV Boyan has to regroup in our third quarter if they still want, to be afloat, stay afloat dito sa ating first game pa lamang. So mamaya another promising teams will be pitted against each other. AAH ZST and McPhee Ferndale. Shout out to my nephew, number 4, Ariola, SJV Boy Mampang, from Ivy Monique De Los Reyes. So guys, pa-share naman po ng ating live. Hello po dyan sa ating mga kabowlers dyan sa Holo, Sulu. Also sa ating mga kalasahan dyan sa Tawi-Tawi. Thank you so much for tuning in and for supporting BFB. Shout out sa akin from Abubakar Satari. Shout out sa'yo. So, na sobrang lakas ng pasa na yun. Bola ngayon ng Team Khalifa. Kumayaw.
Pina.
Shoutout number 11, Hipolani from Jane Garcia. Shoutout sa inyong lahat. Nag-dinner na po ba kayo? Sana all nag-dinner na. Kami hindi pa. Baka may sobra kayong Pescao Seco dyan. Masarap na pescao seco sa mainit na kanin. Ginutom tuloy ako. Thank you so much guys for tuning in sa ating mga viewers ngayon. Salamat sa pagsuporta at panonood ng ating live games. At syempre dito sa mga nanonood dito sa ating venue, salamat. Go, 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 Khalifa from Arij or Jira Unding. Kaano-ano ka ni boss? Jira Unding, kaano-ano ka ni boss? Yung sa AG Love. Salamat nga pala AG Love Concept Store. And of course, as we share the same vision and the same passion, kaya merong liga ang mga bata. So iba talaga pag may passion ka at love for the sport. Shout out watching from Davao City. Dico May Satari. Anong GGS? Johan Solon. Good GGS. Gandang ganda. GGSS pala yun. A follow-up shot there by number 2. So another timeout there by Mampang, SJV Mampang Boyin. And that timeout is brought to you by Zensation. So gusto nyo nung nail spa, massage, kahit anong klaseng massage, nandyan po ang Zensation, yung sa across the road na building sa second floor. Ang grabe guys, solid yung masay. So kung gusto nyo ng solid na masahista, andyan si Georgie. Just look for Georgie. And mga eyelashes extension, napaka-solid din guys. Hindi na nga lang ako nakabalik kasi sa sobrang busy. Hindi ko na napaayos. And of course, kung gusto naman pa skincare, dyan naman yung clinic nila sa harap ng Angking sa shop. So, ganda talaga. If affordable packs, may promo yata. Alam ko may promo sila ngayon. Shoutout Kent Tipak-Tipak from Gerald Ortiz Montebon. Good luck AH from Abubakar Satari. So, mamaya din makikita rin natin yung kalibre ng AAH ZST. Powerhouse Khalifa from Raisin James. Oo nga eh. From their bench players din nila, second group din nila, malalakas din. From their starting 5 to bench players, mga kalibreng players din. But of course, it's everybody's ball game. Hindi ibig sabihin na you will wala nang chance na matalo ang powerhouse team. Sayang yung drive doon ni Dwayne. Go Abaw from Yushra Taib Abaw. That was a steal there. Last touch ng Khalifa. Abaw pala yung last touch ni Abaw. Sayang hindi pinasa agad. Mintis yung offensive ball doon. Khalifa still gets the ball there. Abaw 2 for 2. Grabe yung depensa talaga ng ano, ng Khalifa. Nice pass there by Dwayne. Sayang.
All along. Good for two.
A walk in the park for Mark Jumawas. San Luis checking in. Laking batang to. Tatangkad pa to si San Luis. Dwayne handling the ball. Manning the game. Umasa. Andun na agad yung mga help defense ng Khalifa. Hindi nga lang pumasok.
Jersey number 22.
Ang haba ng mga bias ng mga
First team foul.
pumayong dun sa SJV. Turnover. Ang liit ba ng nasa baba na si San Luis? Kung ikaw, mapapa-hesitate ka na lang. Kung magdadrive ka ba o papasa mo yung bola.
Umayaw. Ang nagulat ako sa tanong. Ipulang has to shoot.
Abdul.
Bola ng Khalifa pumayaw. And easy basket.
Entra ya, pada nak off.
Sapat, sumipat.
So guys, may inayos lang kami. Kaya nawala for a while yung audio natin. Watching from Holosulu pa, shoutout from Risa Tari. Thank you so much sa ating mga kalasahan dyan sa Holosulu. Sana naman kami dyan. Maka-visit yung Big Fundamental dyan sa Holo. Shoutout ma'am kung Haji Budong de Mampang ma'am from Rome, Santa Cruz. Pa-shoutout my idol kay Andrew Pina watching from Mapun, Tawi-Tawi. Gogo Ang alam ko taga Mapun, 'di ba si Ginger Lau. So So, thank you so much no sa ating mga friends ka-bowlers dyan sa Mapon, Tawi-Tawi. Hello po dyan. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Ay, naku, no ba na... Masakit pa sa heartache yun.
3. Team of Green.
Shoutout from Pilar College, Reynal James Antaran. Okay, mamaya, no, reserve your energy sa pag-cheer sa AHZST. It will be an epic ball game for sure. So, official running score, 81-40. Ay, sorry, 79-40. Nag-aabang po second game team. Yes, lapit na. Isang quarter na lang. And AHCST na versus McPhee Ferndale. Tahil, easy basket. Dollar. Guys, napensetan si Kyle. Usa tayo manggali sa video.
And Rowdy.
81-42 is our official running score. 2 minutes and 11 seconds dito sa ating third quarter before we enter the fourth and final quarter. Shoutout Ariola from Boton de los Reyes. Dale chance tamen mga bata Ferndale from Ben Yashir Kahil.
Yan.
Go, 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 SJV Mampang. 1 month and 1 week na yung... Ay, grabe man.
Basket is used. Ball is number 22. Second foul. Jersey number 22. Second team foul. Ako na naman. Number 2.
Let's go, Khalifa from JR Jim Jimenez. Let's go, SJV Boy and Mampang from Benyashir. Dan shared, boss. Thank you so much for sharing our live. Go, 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 Team Khalifa from Ridge or Jira. Huli sana. Once 91.
Foul, jersey number 10, Fabian.
91. 51 is our official runner score. And would like to thank our sponsors, AG Love, FJ Graphics, Mayor John Daliped, Zen Station, ERBL, Alavar, Adex, Zamboanga Valientes, Blue Harvest, Tres Marias Tailoring, The Exclusive Shop, 89.9 Brigada News FM, Croc Sports and Kings Collection, S3 Print and Apparels. Go, go, Bam Bam from Socorro Dressers. Anong team ni Airbola, mga Lods? Walang team si Airbola. Si Airbola ba? Si... kung sa nombre di... Rashim? Sinong Airbola po ba yung tinutukoy nyo? Watching from Hong Kong, pa-shout. Malona Aniban, shout out. Raver Kinday, good luck. Steven Clyde, Dream Joe. So may foul kanina si Fabian at nasa penalty na yung SJV. So isa lang yung pumas. Si Rashim hindi po. Kasi ano po ito, 18 under. I think si last other league po yung dati. Sa Vamos po yung dati si ano. Pero this one is a developmental league. So 18 under po tayo, boss. Kuting dump. Go go Nawaf Asim from AH. Hindi lang man 30 Andreal Caldoin.
Number 6, Abel. Third personal foul on Abel. First team foul.
March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Mga Kumayaw, overshot. Abo was there to save that ball. Yes, Ken, dapat win or lose. Actually, there's no losing but only learning. You don't lose but you learn. Shout naman from Andrew Bina watching from Mapun Tawi-Tawi. Hello po sa ating mga kalasahan dyan sa Mapun Tawi-Tawi. Thank you so much for supporting the league. Go go my friend, the Raver Kinday from H. Shout naman. Galingan mo mamaya, Adrian Quico. So okay na siguro si Quico, no? Si Quico kasi last time dinala natin sa hospital kasi yung pala parang gutom ata. Kasi I think 4 o'clock pa siya last kumain. 3-point shot there. Coming from SJV Boyan.
Gallo.
May foul ba na tinawag? Foul ang tinawag. JC number 14. Ronnie Dale Gallo.
Nine second shot clock. Bulldozer, Inararo, pakita pa rin ang bulldozer.
Shoutout from Pilar College supporter Ramsey Cole. That timeout is brought to you by S3 Print and Apparel. Diyan yan sila, ang shop nila is fronting St. Joseph Cathedral. Mala Raton de Coco, Jeremy Afuyog from AH, from Steven Clyde Rinjo. Tingnan natin mamaya kung Mala Raton de Coco ba yung game ni Jeremy Afuyog. So, thank you guys for supporting the league. And of course, this is Asia Lab Concept Store, 18 under. No zone defense rule. Kaya yung mga batang to, dito talaga kailangan kondisyon na kondisyon ka. Dahil all throughout the ball game, naka-match up ka talaga. Kailangan mong bantayan yung kalaban mo. Bawal yung zona. So, kailangan kondisyon na kondisyon talaga. Kagaya nung last game natin, 2 overtime. Kung hindi kayo kondisyon nung two overtime natin, ako, wala, mag-give up talaga yung katawan mo. So, kailangan talaga, pa-kondisyon. Yung mga bata natin, iwas muna yan sa mga bisyo, vape. Minsan kasi yung mga bata natin gina-justify pa, vape lang naman yan daw. But without knowing, the same effects lang yan. Ginawa lang, pinaganda lang nila yung packaging, pero ganun pa rin yun. Tapos, wag magpuyat. Niluwa ng ring. Kaya wag magpuyat. Puyat talaga ang kalaban ng isang atleta. Ang totoong atleta, walang bisyo. Hindi nagpupuyat. Kasi ngayon akala ng mga bata laro-laro lang, no? The sport teaches you beyond the game. It teaches you discipline. It teaches you work ethics. It teaches you how to be a good citizen when you step out from the world of basketball. Kaya tingnan nyo, maraming mga successful na basketballista, until now, ang health nila is maganda pa din. Fit pa rin sila. Kasi walang mga bisyo. And when it comes to disciplining themselves, napakagaling nila doon sa aspect na yun. Kasi basketball teaches you beyond the game. Go Vertudes and Miranda, galingan nyo na ma-pressure na tong mga players na to. Pa-shoutout kun Rovi Jake Araneta from Roland Araneta. Thank you so much sa ating mga... So, ating official running score is 102-49. So, yung score natin dito guys, tinitingnan natin yan sa scoreboard dito sa venue. Margo Jumawas. Sayang. Stepping on the line. Shoutout kay Yuri Melendres. So, in a while guys, AHZSC versus McPhee Ferndale. Mills Tower. Guys, how true, no? Nandyan ba kayo sa town? How true may sunog? may sunog sa may Amils Tower. So keep safe guys, especially yung mga nagmomotor. Yung helmet po guys, pakisuot sa ulo, hindi nilalagay sa braso. Kasi pag nadisgrasya, pag ulo ang tumama, aanin mo yung braso mo, kung wala na, wasak na yung utak. So keep safe. Use your helmet properly. Lalo na yung mga kabataan ngayon, grabe, minsan nagpapaharurot, kahapon nga, grabe, hindi naman sa highway. Grabe, nagpaharurot, parang drag race yung pagharurot niya. Buti sana kung siya ang madisgrasya, kung may napuruhang iba, kawawa. Minsan, pag be responsible driver, kasi minsan hindi lang naman kayo yung magiging biktima. Paano yung mga inosenteng tumatawid lang, mga inosenteng nakatayo lang sa naghihintay ng masasakyan, di ba? So, be a responsible driver. Yan ay kung pagkuha nyo ng lisensya ay sa legal na pamamaraan.
Wow.
Kasi 'di ba, madaming nadidiskusya. Kailan ba 'yun? Last month 'yun, 'di ba? Saan yung mga disgrasya, lalo na dun sa may sa may IBT, may Divisoria jump party, ang daming nadidisgrasya.
Dapat pa rin.
Kaya nakakatakot kasi nandyan si Sambuanga Idiot Drivers. Dudu Bina, number 22 from Yort Owal.
Dina.
Dina Pasok.
Tipolan.
Tipolani.
Roxel. Red. That's my foul. Jersey number 11.
Jersey number 11, tinawagan na foul.
Warning for penalty.
4 minutes and 8 seconds na lang pala. 4 minutes and 2 seconds. Fabian,
My foul.
my foul. Almost an end one shot there by Fabian. But we would like to thank our sponsors, Zensation by Doc Loristam, ERBL, Air Rasul Basketball League, Alavar Seafood Restaurant, Adex, Zamboanga Valientes, Blue Harvest, Tres Marias Tailoring, The Exclusive Shop, 89.9 Brigada News FM, Croc Sports, ang Kings Collection, S3 Apparel, and of course, mga basketball sa ng Pilipinas. So, congratulations sa ating at sa ating mga local players noon. Actually, naglaro yan sila dito. Sila Jean Carillo sa Gili at Mate din. So, after 31 years of drought winning drought, ngayon nakuha na ng Adamson Baby Falcons ang championship title. So, yung mga young bowlers natin, just keep on dreaming. Your time will shine. Basta be patient, grind lang ng grind. Respect your teammates, especially your coach. Trust the process. Yan. Whatever you reap, you will sow.
Score 2 on jersey number 30.
Sorry, 113. Special running score, 113.51.
Fabian. Good for 2.
Ano yan, no? Ambulance.
Baka hindi tema. So dati naalala ko yan, 15 under sila Fabian, sila Gupit, Sila Galio, ang tototoy pa. Ngayon, kung maglaro, mamang-mama na. Parang minamani na lang yung basketball dito sa Zamboanga. So when you are given the opportunity, when you are given the break, use it for good. Trust the process. And magiging magaling na bowler din kayo someday. Siyempre, as long as may grassroots tayo, BFP will always stay.
Juma. Kisula. Foul on jersey number 10. Fourth personal foul on jersey number
We're nearing to our final minutes before malaman natin kung sino yung magiging or before malaman natin sino yung manalo dito sa ating first game. So again, there's no losing but there's winning. So every opportunity na mag-fail doesn't mean na you are of no worth. It should be your inspiration to grind even more. Para you can compete with, players who are also that competitive.
Fabian, you score 2.
What is the player of the game? Hindi naman kasi pag player of the game, it doesn't mean having much points. So, statistical basis naman kasi tayo. Kailangan, you also made good doon sa mga other aspects, sa different stats. So, hindi lang siya about sa score. Yes, para sa tres. But of course, it's not enough to cut down the lead or to get this lead para sa SJV Boyan. Pero grabe ang SJV Boyan, lumalaban pa rin. That's the spirit. It doesn't mean na lamang na yung kalaban nyo, hindi ka na maglalaro, not giving your best. A real player still gives his best despite and in spite of the score. Diba? Yun yung maganda sa SJV Boyan. Nagtumidepensa pa din. Yung opensa pa rin nila. Although nga lang, na-outplay sila ng Khalifa. But still, see? They still have that fast break. Sorry. 121. Imperial daw. Ay, pala, di ba? Sabi niya, magbigay siya ng GCash ngayon. No? Shoutout, Imperial, ang cousin ni AJ Imperial. Naalala pala namin.
Jersey number 6. Foul.
Shout out AJ Imperial. That was a long bad pass there by Khalifa. And that ends our first game action here in Golden Boys Gym. Forward Concept, AG Love Concept Store, 18 under Basketball League. And continuing their winning streak is Team Khalifa. So guys, just hold on, just relax and enjoy the show, enjoy the game.
Both teams, baru kita, hindi tayo lihat mga
See ya, ballers.
great